Have you ever looked up at the night sky, filled with billions of stars, and wondered, where is everybody? With countless galaxies, each containing billions of suns, many of which are older than our own, the universe should be teeming with life. Advanced civilizations should have had billions of years to spread across the stars. Yet, we see nothing. We hear only silence. This unsettling contradiction is known as the Fermi Paradox, and one of its most terrifying explanations is the Great Filter. The Great Filter is a theory that suggests there is a barrier, a universal challenge so difficult that it prevents life from becoming an interstellar civilization. This filter could be anywhere on the long evolutionary timeline from the first spark of life to a galaxy-spanning empire. The terrifying question is, where on that timeline does the filter lie? Is it Benendo's, or is it still ahead? Let's consider the first possibility. The filter is behind us. This would be fantastic news. It would mean that one of the steps we've already passed is incredibly rare. Perhaps the jump from non-living matter to the first simple, self-replicating cell is the filter. Maybe the evolution of complex life, like us, from those simple cells, is the cosmic hurdle. If that's the case, then we are one of the very first, a rare and precious miracle in an empty cosmos. We have a clear path to the stars. The universe could be ours, but what if the filter is still ahead of us? This is the truly dreadful part of the theory. It suggests that life commonly reaches our level of technological advancement, but something always prevents it from going further. What could this filter be? It could be a naturally occurring cosmic catastrophe, like a gamma-ray burst that sterilizes entire regions of a galaxy. Or, more chillingly, the filter could be something. Think about the technologies we're developing right now. Artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, powerful new weapons. Is it possible that every advanced civilization eventually creates a technology that leads to its own demise? Perhaps they unleash a runaway AI that sees them as a threat, or engineer a supervirus that can't be contained. Or maybe they simply destroy themselves through warfare, once their weapons become powerful enough to shatter a planet. In this scenario, the cosmic silence isn't a sign that we're alone. It's a graveyard. The quiet is the sound of countless civilizations that reached for the stars, only to fall back into ruin at the final, insurmountable hurdle. We might be just another one of those civilizations, racing towards a finish line that is actually a cliff. Every new advancement we make, every step we take towards becoming a multiplanetary species, could be a step closer to this final filter. The development of faster-than-light travel, if it's even possible, might be the very thing that triggers our extinction. So, when we look out at that silent, star-filled sky, perhaps we shouldn't be searching for signs of intelligent life. Perhaps we should be hoping we never find them, because if we find evidence of complex life elsewhere, it would suggest that the early steps of life aren't the filter. It would make it much more likely that the Great Filter is still waiting for us, somewhere in our future. The silence of the universe is profound, and the Great Filter theory offers a chilling explanation. It forces us to confront our own fragility and the immense challenges that may lie ahead. It's a humbling reminder that our survival is not guaranteed. We are a tiny flicker of consciousness in a vast, dark cosmos, and our future depends entirely on the choices we make today. Will we be the ones to finally break through the filter? Or will we become just another silent echo in the great, empty expanse? Only time will tell. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into one of cosmology's most unsettling ideas. If you found this thought-provoking, please hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of our universe. Stay curious and look up.